up, guys? It is a beautiful day over here in Southern California. Yeah, so basically I'm in the CRX right now. Got it cleaned out a little bit. Got some decals over there in the back. Actually on my way to go pick up my girlfriend. We're gonna go to downtown LA. She's into this whole yoga fitness thing right now. Supportive always. So I'm going over there to go try and see what I can get. If I can get a good deal on some shirts for y'all. The vinyl just came in yesterday, and I actually just found out that my university has a like fabrication laboratory or whatever you want to call it, workshop. But they have vinyl cutters, 3D printers, CNCs, you name it. I do know how to use most of those things. A couple of them are a little outdated. Back at UCLA, I was working with a couple CNC machines, couple lathes. So, but that was like 4 years back. So not certified. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get certified. Start making some cool parts for y'all. They got a vinyl cutter there, so I got the material. I was gonna ask my mom to use her Cricut, but you know, no need anymore. Just go to school and stuff, and it's free. The material's free too, but not for the shirt. So I'm on my way to downtown LA. That's where we reside. And if you haven't already, follow us on Instagram. That is Kraken Engine Performance. I think if you search a quick tag, Kraken EP also shows up. Give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, let's continue with the day-by-day footage. You know, sometimes it kind of has its disadvantages to having CRX, because you can't even get from point A to point B without a goddamn Camaro SS revving their engine next to you, a goddamn side-swiping Mustang trying to hit you after they peel out. Oosh. Guys, I don't want to do that. Say I bite a little bit, you know. If you have a RICER, any type of car that sounds loud, sounds nice, like the CRX does. And it's funny because when you get a car that you know you'll lose to, that's when you know. I feel like only real men can do that. If I'm gonna pull up next to a Fox body and I know that motherfucker was blowing smoke and fire like up above. Yeah, and he comes up and revs his engine. I am going to get on the next exit. I don't care if I don't even know where I'm going, and Siri has to redirect me. Recalculating. Nope, not because I already know I'm gonna blow something out. I'm gonna blow a transmission. Something's gonna go up. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you guys because yeah, man, it's a struggle out here for a RICER. Remember I was telling you guys. Got the CRX fender here. This is just where the crash happened, and guy did some body work in. As you can see, he put some of that fiberglass mesh, then he put that resin on top to make it super hard. It's like an epoxy. You gotta get this sanded down. I got some sandpaper going. Yeah, let me show you guys. Hopefully it's not too dark. These are the rotors that I picked up. Yeah, so these are the rotors that I picked up, slotted drilled, pretty nice. This is the ones that came off the Integra. I also got the master cylinder in here, and I already showed you guys the brake lines that I had. But yeah, that's what's coming up in the next couple of weeks. So we're gonna get this done. Stay boosted.